Are you still using traditional app development methods for your XR app? Now it's time to upgrade to XR streaming. Hi, I'm Luis Bollinger and I will be discussing the 4 main reasons why you should switch to XR streaming right away. The first reason, and my personal favorite, is that XR streaming gives you all the complexity you could want for your app. These kinds of basic models can run on the HoloLens 2 without any problem. In contrast to this very complex Raptor engine, its 28 million polygons would completely overcharge the standalone device. Here, it is streamed via a local server and it runs smoothly. No matter how rich or detailed your app may be, the XR Streaming SDK can handle it with ease thanks to its partnership with the cloud or a local server. Secondly, think of all the efforts you can save yourself on data preparation. You don't need to ask yourself anymore if an object is streamlined or reduced enough. You can just take 3D models as they are. By means of XR streaming, no time gets wasted on data preparation. Your developers will thank you. The third reason is the device-agnostic approach of XR streaming. Let's assume you have a HoloLens 2 app and you would like to make it available on a Meta Quest 2. With XR streaming, you can easily bring it from one device to the other. Last but not least, data security. Since your data is streamed from a local cloud or server, no data is stored on the end device. This means that your sensitive information is much less likely to be hacked or stolen. In conclusion, there are many compelling reasons why you should start using XR streaming for your HoloLens or Meta Quest app today. So if you would like to try our technology in the form of a trial, then click the link below.